6 high-paying skilled trades in construction that are creating millionaires in 2026. Let me say something that might sound crazy at first.
You're crazy. I like you, but you're crazy.
Some of the highest earners in America right now aren't doctors, they're not lawyers, and they didn't go to college. They're construction workers, real people, hard hats, steel-toe boots, and many of them are quietly making 6 figures plus. Some are pushing $200,000 a year. And yes, some are becoming millionaires. No student loans, no college degree, just skills that the world desperately needs. And here's the part most people don't believe. Companies are so short on skilled workers right now that they're offering $30,000, $40,000, even $50,000 sign-on bonuses just to get people on the job. Nobody's talking about this, so if you've ever felt college wasn't for you, or you're stuck in a low-paying job wondering how people actually get ahead, this video is for you. I'm JV Charles. What's up, guys? This is Big Pay Trades, and today we're talking about 6 high-paying skilled trades in construction that are creating millionaires in 2026, and I'm giving you the good and the bad. Let's start with one of the most extreme jobs in construction, tower crane erectors and dismantlers. I made a video on this earlier and it is awesome. These are the people who build those massive cranes you see towering over city skylines. And when the job's done, they're the same ones who take them apart hundreds of feet in the air. This is not a normal job, and that's why the pay isn't normal either. And many of these workers make between $100,000 to $150,000 a year, and that's before overtime, travel pay, or per diem. On major products, $40,000 to $50,000 sign-on bonuses are very real today. No college degree required. Most come through union apprenticeships. Now let me be honest, this job is dangerous. You're working at extreme heights, in the wind, in the weather, long days, long weeks, and a lot of time away from home. But very few people can do this work, and even fewer are willing to do it. And that scarcity is exactly why the pay is so high. Now let's talk about union electricians, especially industrial and data center electricians. Look around. AI, data centers, electric vehicles, hospitals, infrastructure, none of it works without electricity. And union electricians are regularly making $100,000 to $180,000 a year. And with overtime, many clear over $200,000 a year. No college degree, you get paid while you learn. The downside, apprenticeship takes time. The work can be physically demanding and the responsibility is serious. One mistake could shut down an entire facility. But if you want stability, top tier benefits, and a skill that will always be needed, this trade is super solid. Now, let's talk about pipe fitters and welders. Anywhere there's serious money being spent, you'll find them. Refineries, power plants, chemical facilities, LNG projects. Pay regularly hits $110,000 to $200,000 a year, especially if you're willing to travel. Many jobs include per diem, often tax-free. And sign-on bonuses in the $25,000 to $50,000 range are absolutely real.
Wow, that's really nice.
No college degree, union apprenticeship, but let's be real, the work is hard. Hot environments, dirty conditions, long shutdown hours, 7-day weeks sometimes. But this is how people stack money fast and change their financial future. Next up, heavy equipment operators. This is another trade people underestimate. Running cranes, dozers, and excavators takes real skill. You're responsible for expensive equipment and job site safety. Experienced operators are making $90,000 to $160,000 a year, and overtime pushes many well into 6 figures. No college degree on this one either, guys, and the demand is exploding because infrastructure spending. Roads, bridges, rails, airports, and a lot of older operators are retiring. The downside? Long days, weather exposure, and in some areas, seasonal slowdowns. But good operators stay working. Now here's one that really surprises people. Construction superintendents who come up through the trades. Many started as carpenters, laborers, iron workers, or operators. No college degree, and the pay ranges are $120,000 to $150,000 or more. Plus, we're talking bonuses, truck allowances, gas cards, sometimes profit sharing. The trade-off? Stress, long hours, and you're responsible for everything. But physically, it's easier than working with your hands forever, and financially, it can change your life. And finally, industrial millwrights. This is one of the most overlooked high-paying skilled trades in America. Millwrights install, move, and repair massive industrial machinery when production lines go down. These are the people companies call because downtime costs millions. Pay often reaches $100,000 to $180,000 a year with overtime, travel pay, and shutdown bonuses. No college required. The downside, it's physically demanding work. Precision matters. Schedules can be unpredictable, but demand is only increasing. Now here's the part nobody explains. The real advantage of this trade isn't just the pay, it's the timeline. These workers start earning early. They avoid student loan debt, they get health care and pensions. They invest while others are still in school. They buy property earlier and many retire sooner. That's how blue-collar millionaires are made. Not overnight, but consistency. Let me be clear though, this life isn't easy. These jobs demand discipline. They demand sacrifice. They demand work ethic, but they pay you what your skills are actually worth. And in 2026, skilled trades are more valuable than ever. So if you want more real breakdowns like this, no fluff, no college agenda, just the truth about high-paying skilled trades, subscribe to Big Pay Trades. Hit the like button and check out the other powerful videos on this channel because the opportunities are out there. You just have to know where to look. I'm JV Charles, and I'll see you in the next one.